crates. They come in all shapes and sizes, they stack, and some are collapsible. The other kind of collapsible. Let's make a miniature collapsible crate. The design uses snap-fit hinges to provide the mechanism that allows it to collapse. The nubs that secure the sides in place pass through a nub path to allow the sides to fold flat. You can grab the files for free over at thangs.com. Link is in the description. It's a simple print that requires no support or bed adhesion. I'm printing here in PLA Plus on an Ender 3. All the parts fit on a build plate as small as 200 by 200mm. There are 5 parts that make up the crate, plus an optional lid. Assembly is a breeze. Start with the shorter sides and press fit them from above. Then do the same with the longer sides. I printed my crates in these nice military style colours. You can stack them, remove one side to convert them to trays, and fold them up when you're not using them. You can store small prints, small parts, sensitive parts, and other miscellaneous objects.